Hey guys, this is Abdulhamid. Welcome to It's All About Digital. Today we'll be talking about Google My Business. In this tutorial I'll be walking you through the step-by-step procedure of creating your own personal or brand digital presence using Google My Business. Let's start. To have your Google My Business account, you have to have your Gmail account. Like, you need to open Gmail account for that particular business or brand. For that, I think you should have gotten a Gmail already. Then once you have your Gmail account, you need to log in to Google My Business website or web page. Doing that, I've already visited the page, but for you to navigate to the page, you can just search on Google by typing Google My Business. You searching Google My Business, it will bring it on the first link, that is Google My Business page. Just click on it. Yes, and this will lead you to the Google My Business page where you can start creating your own data presence in Google My Business account. To start, click on this Manage Now to start your own Google My Business account. This will lead you to a page where you need to search for your business name first. You can see find and manage your business name. Here, just type in, for example, It's All About Digital. You can see that this name is not yet registered with Google. Then you can now create your own by clicking on Add Your Business to Google. Once you create it, it will open this page for you, whereby you can now type in your own business name or brand name, which mine is It's All About Digital. Then you click on Next. Here, choose the category that fits your business best. This particular place, you need to choose the category of what type of brand you are creating for. My own is like digital service or something like related to internet. When I type digital, you can see it brings digital printer, digital printing. This is not what I'm looking for. I can decide to search another one like internet. You can see internet cafe, internet shop, and the likes. I think this is not what my business is all about again. There's a lot of, I've seen it. Internet marketing service. Here is it. You can see. You need to search what suits your own brand, the category that suits your own brand. Click on Next. Do you want to add a location? Of course, your brand has to have a location. You have to just click on Next, click on Yes, and click Next. Then you can start entering the address of your brand, where it is located, your company or your brand, anyone. The streets, I'll just type my location where I live, Atiku Abubakar Road. That is Adewale area. The local government is Ilorin West. The city is Ilorin. Then the postal code is 240243. You can search your own postal code on Google also. If you do not know your area postal code, just search. It's very simple. I'm just opening your tab and search maybe Ilorin postal code. You can see it will list all postal code in Ilorin out. Then I can just navigate to my own postal code. You can see, you can check it on this particular site, postal code, postcode.info. You can see 240243. That is Ilorin Adewale Estate. That's where my own postal code is. Then I can now pick where it is located. That is Kwara State, and click on Next. You can see the Google My Business already locates where Atiku Abubakar Road is in Adewale. You can see it has already point on it. That's how it will be shown when your business is searched on Google. It will show the location and the likes. All sort of information that you are entering now will be shown on Google when you finish your registration. Click on next. So far the map is correct to your own taste. Then, do you also serve customer outside this location? Yes, maybe you have other location you are serving. For example, this is digital service. I can serve anybody from anywhere, from any country. Yes, I'll just pick yes. I also serve outside this location, and I'll click on next. This page is to add the location you are serving. You can add it, and you can decide to not add it. I'll decide not to add it for now. Next. Yeah, this place is for you to enter the phone number, which is your phone number where you'll be contacted to if your business is found on Google for a particular niche, as in the brand, your category. If your business is found on Google, the number they are going to call. If possibly you have a website, you are going to enter your URL. And if you do not have, just pick I don't have a website. Okay, let me just add my phone number here. And I'll add my website here. It's allaboutdigital.com. Then I'll click on next. You can see you're already done. Just click on finish. It's loading, sorry for that. Yes, it is this 2020 that Google integrated what we know as postcard. Yes, this is just to verify maybe your business is legit, as in maybe you have the business in this particular location. This postcard just means that they have to send you a mail that consists of a code that you are going to enter to verify that your business is actually real. That's just it. And you just need to put the name of the too, and I will put my name there. So far I'm the owner of It's All About Digital. Yes, and just click on mail so that they mail you. And if you don't want the mail, you can click try later. Yes, you are done. Just click on continue. In the next 14 days the mail should arrive, but due to this COVID-19 it may not arrive on time, and possibly if you do not see the mail within that 14 days, you can check post office, because sometimes they do drop any message for a particular company or brand outside Nigeria to post office, nearby post office of your location. You can just check there to check if the message is already around or the mail is around. Excuse me. Yes. Thank you very much. You're already done setting up your Google My Business account. In the next video, I'll try to explain all this navbar, this home, the post, the info, insight, review, message, photo, product, services, and the likes. I will try to explain everything, what it is there, one after the other, what you can use it for, what is meant for you to use it for, and the likes. I will explain in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload more videos like this to this channel. Click the digital present link below to watch the full description of what Google My Business is all about. Don't miss the next video on how to fully use Google My Business to rank your brand or business on Google first page. See you later. Bye bye.